Hey guys, my name's David. On this episode I'm going to show you what happens when you cover your garden with cardboard. Now multiple of you have been asking, because I had made a video much earlier, over the winter I covered most of my garden with cardboard and what actually happened with it. So we're going to go take a look. It's pretty impressive. So you can see the entire whole top part of the garden here is covered in cardboard completely. Any of the spots where it wasn't covered, all the weeds and grass have popped up, but for the most part it's pretty good. And I put some wood and stuff on it to keep it, to hold it down. You also want to wet this if you can do this. But underneath, there's lots of worms, especially red wigglers. Like you can see red wigglers all trying to get out of here right now. They're like, what's going on? So by adding this layer on top, you're essentially creating a protective ground cover, which allows the red wigglers to come to the surface and eat up everything that's not getting sunlight. So it's a really good way to bring them to the surface and get your soil a lot healthier. We can check out another spot. Pull this one up. So got a couple slugs under here. There's a little more sunlight on this spot. Just because it wasn't covered as well. Yeah, you can see a lot of red wigglers in there. There's a guy right there. So this had a lot of grass on it. The grass is dying off. You can see it's not getting enough sun, but it does a good job. I did cut a few holes, like you can see my kale. I left that to grow, and now it's perfectly ready to eat. I'm going to leave it and get it a little bit bigger before I eat it. But yeah, this strategy works out really well. I'm just going to leave it down to help prevent the weeds, and I'm getting a dump truck of soil. I'm going to get 20 yards of soil. That comes in 2 dump trucks, one huge dump truck, which is 13 yards of more topsoil, and then 7 yards of compost. Some really nice black gold. So I did this throughout my yard. This is a really sunny spot in the front here, and you can see if you don't cover it, this is what you get. So all this is covered, but then you get over here and not covered, and it's full of dock root. Now dock root is actually edible, which I'll be showing in another video, but you can eat that. And yeah, I'm just gonna lift this up if you want a quick peek too. So you can see there's dock root here that's it's struggling to survive. It's really weird. I've never seen it so yellow. But yeah, this dock root is trying to live. It's not getting enough sunlight. The best source of cardboard is a funeral home, because the caskets are so big. They come in a huge cardboard box that usually just has a few stickers on it, and that's it. And so you can just pop those stickers off. They're ones that come off really easily, not the ones that stick. And then those boxes are just massive. They just cover so much space. So don't try to do what I did, because like I got a bunch of food boxes, like banana boxes and all that stuff, and you have to look through all of those to see which ones have glue and which ones don't. And it's just a real pain. So just go for a funeral home, get all those huge boxes. They don't use glue on there. There might be a few staples, but it's better than having glue. And then the other option is to use tarps, like I've done over here. The tarps, I find they blow around a lot. You know, I put logs and stuff down on it, but you really have to pin it down good. And it's not like a natural substance. I'd rather, because I'm going to have to take that off. Where the cardboard, you can just leave it down and plant on top. So I'm just going to stick all soil on top and just continue gardening. So hopefully you guys found this helpful and useful. Give it a thumbs up once you check out this other video, and subscribe. And until next one, have a great day.